Ocean acidification endangers the entire ocean, but coastal regions are specifically vulnerable. The rate of acidification in surface waters varies regionally and is 50% higher in the northern North Atlantic than in the subtropic Atlantic. The Massachusetts shellfish industry brings in over $400 million annually, more than triple the amount of finfish. This might explain why legislators have taken such an interest in protecting the shellfish farmers and waters from the ever-increasing acidity. The oceans are absorbing a lot of the CO2 that's emitted into the United States. Increasing acidity of the water is creating a hostile environment for the growth of shellfish. State Representative Dylan Fernandes, who is proposing legislation to form a 19-member task force on ocean acidification. 6 other coastal states with economic dependence of the shellfish industry have already formed task forces to try to offset the consequences of acidification. Maine and New Hampshire have 8 sensors along their coastlines to pump in hourly water samples and monitor acidity. Massachusetts only had 1 sensor in 2017, with another sensor in the crosshairs of environmental budget cuts. This technology is necessary for the people who depend on the success of shellfish. The biggest player in Duxbury's shellfish industry is Island Creek Oysters, harvesting 1 million oysters a month. It employs 37 people full-time and another 600 at its restaurants. Measuring and monitoring the pH of the water will help farmers intervene to offset the acidity, but the only way to slow down acidification is by reducing carbon emissions domestically and globally.